morning. Well, we're going to leave Hot Springs, Arkansas today, but not before checking out the Oaklawn Racetrack and taking a soak in a hot springs. So come along for another SqWatch Dog adventure. So this is the famous Oaklawn horse racing track. And it looks like the horses are out here practicing today. Here they come. Check out all these horse stables. It's crazy. That would have been fun to see a race.
I know. It's a big track.
It is a big track. But they don't race till Thursday?
Thursday, Friday. No, or maybe it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't remember.
Oh, okay. But there's a big one coming up, isn't there?
The Arkansas Derby, right before the Kentucky Derby.
Ugh.
Whoever wins that will be in the Kentucky Derby, I'm pretty sure.
I could have gone to get a hat. I could have worn a hat. But I didn't. All right, well, let's see if I can get into one of these pools today.
All right.
One of these bathhouses. Hoping I can. With the National Park Service being closed certain days now, it's kind of difficult to get in. So we'll give it a go. It's early enough, I'm hoping. So I'm going to see if I can take a soak here today. Looking forward to seeing what it's all about. Well, Brad's gonna get a cup of coffee while I take a soak. This is genuine. So this place is amazing. Well, that felt really good. Plus, I met some women who were from Iowa near my hometown, which was great. And look who's out here waiting for me. Riker and Brad.
Go ahead, pet him.
Can I pet him? Thank you. Hi. I can tell you about Quapaw Baths and Spas. It was amazing. They've got 4 different pools that you can go into. One's like, 104, another one's 102, another one's 98, and another one's 94. So you can hop around to the different pools. When you're too hot, you can cool off. One thing that they didn't have there, though, was an ice bath. I kind of liked that at the Carson Hot Springs,
Yeah, that felt good.
That did feel good. But it was nice. It was a little crowded, I will say. But
That's cool that there was
nice.
Major League Baseball players used to soak in that bathtub with you.
Did they?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dizzy Dean and his brother and Babe Ruth. They all were hanging out here in the day.
You love that, don't you?
It's kind of cool.
So was Al Capone and a bunch of other gangsters. That's why they probably have a horse track here and a casino and the oldest bar in Arkansas. So I got to admit, I thought that Hot Springs was kind of cool.
Good.
Didn't you?
Yeah, it was nice.
It was not what I thought it was going to be at all.
Didn't seem like a natural park, but nice.
No, it didn't seem like a national park at all. Although you could go hiking in the trails up above. You know, they had a lot of hiking trails and things like that. And they had that tower that you could go up to. It was kind of like the Space Needle, but that doesn't seem national parkish either. But then again, neither does the Arch in, you know, St. Louis. I was kind of surprised that was a national park.
True.
But it was different, that was for sure. I thought this was a really cool place. And Hot Springs is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So now where are we off to?
Wichita Falls, if it's not too windy.
Wichita Falls, is that in Kansas or where is that?
Texas.
Texas?
We go through Texarkana or something.
Texarkana?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay.
And we're going that way because there's fires in Oklahoma, so we're going south.
All right. There's a beautiful lake just outside of Hot Springs. It is so windy out. Are you nervous to drive in this?
Well, it's not going to be totally comfortable, but we'll go unless we can.
All right. We're going to go unless we can't. That's our motto for today.
Or unless we tip over.
Go unless we can't or tip over. That's our motto for today. I guess if we tip over, that means we can't. So, that's a little redundant. Oklahoma. Oh, Oklahoma, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain. This is the Texas line. I think we're heading from Oklahoma into Texas. But I don't see a sign that says we're there yet.
Texas for a while.
I know. Gonna have to see if we can find a place where we can get a 72-ounce steak.
No thanks. That's
Too much meat?
That's Amarillo.
Amarillo. You can tell we're getting close to Texas because of all the cows. All right, we're coming into Texas now. The sign says, "Welcome to Texas."
We're going to Paris. Quit complaining. How many women get to go to Paris?
We're going to Paris, Texas.
So, who's going to know? Get a sticker and stick it on the van.
This is Paris. Okay. I will. Thank you, baby, for taking me to Paris. Paris, Texas. Wee wee.
Welcome.
So you're getting gas. Did you come in because of the wind?
Yes, I'm going to look where places might be
For what?
to camp.
Oh, to camp? Finally made it to Paris, Texas.
Hey, you finally got there.
So fancy. So fancy that we're going to go to Walmart and find ourselves something to eat for dinner.
What are you looking for?
Escargot. Think I'll find it at Walmart?
You're funny.
Let's see if I can find it at Walmart. In Paris, Texas. Got groceries. I thought about getting French bread, but I thought that was too ritzy for Paris, so...
I got a campsite.
Yay, that's good. I'm glad to hear that. That's always good. So, well, let's go to it. Let's go find it. Is it here in Paris?
No.
We're not going to stay in Paris?
We're an hour away. It's called Bonham.
Bottom?
Bonham.
Bonham. Okay. Off we go to
It's
Bonham.
a state park. $30 with electricity.
Perfect. Hey, there's an Applebee's. We should go over and get some cup of that French onion soup. See if some of these gusts are crazy.
Yeah, it's been relentless.
I know. Are you driving okay? Is it hard to drive?
I think I'm about ready to quit.
I think we're almost at our campground, aren't we? 7.8 miles?
Yeah. 14 miles.
Boy, there's been a couple of times where I thought we were going to flip. It's kind of scary.
Pushes you around.
Yeah, it sure does. It's windy. And will we make it? Stay tuned to find out. Thank God we made it to Bonham State Park, which is where we're going to stay tonight. It was windy. I was really nervous a few times. Were you nervous?
No, it was just uncomfortable driving. That's all.
I was nervous. Still hunkering down. He was really nervous. Look at him. He's like hunkered down. It's like, I'm glad we're here. It's got a pretty lake. You said we got the last spot.
The last RV one. There's a couple tent sites, but thought we were too big to park in it.
Oh, that's silly. We're no bigger than a car.
Probably could have done it, but can't argue with the boss, the ranger.
I guess. What do you think, Riker? Are you excited to get out of here? He's excited to get out of here, I think. Me too. This was a rough ride, wasn't it? There's the headquarters. So this is our spot for the night. It's got a nice water view. No complaints there. There's a male and a female cardinal. Aren't they pretty? Check out the trees down here in Texas. They're starting to bloom. This is really pretty. This is a nice park to walk around in.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
Texas State Park.
A little chilly, but it's nice.
Always cold in Texas.
I know. Both times we've been here. It's crazy. Riker likes it too. All right. Let's go. The park headquarters is really old looking. I'm sure there's some history here that I need to read about. So I found out that the park headquarters was actually built in the 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps, which is part of President Roosevelt's New Deal to help fix unemployment during the Depression. They also built picnic tables and fire pits and all sorts of stuff here at the park. This is kind of a cool old area of the park. We got a little water fountain here. Looks like a big fire pit right over here, made out of rock. And we've got picnic tables made out of rock. Little picnic tables, big picnic tables. Somebody put some effort into this. You want to go down onto the dock and watch the sunset?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
It won't be long.
I know, it's starting to set already.
Lincoln.
Look at that, you can rent canoes, and you can rent pedal boats. That's fun. This lake was created when the Civilian Conservation Corps built this earthen dam back in 1933. Got to go back up here because you couldn't see the sunset from that dock. So I think we got to go a little higher. That is a beautiful sunset. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us. Meanwhile, happy trails.